Where do you want to go now? I wonder if he remembers the street. This is the street that he got hit on. It wasn't right here, it was a little ways down. Where do you want to go? Do you want to hide under bushes? Is that what you want to do? Hide under bushes? You want to go inside? Alright, you can go inside if you want. Where would you like to go? Inside? What do you want to do, honey? What do you want to do, kitty? What a good kitty cat. What do you want to do? You want to go exploring some more or go in? Inside? You gotta walk up those stairs if you want to go in. Give it a try. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you want to walk around some more? Yeah, you like being out, don't you? Dakota, he used to be a real hunter. I tried to put a bell on him so he wouldn't get birds, but he still did sometimes. And he'd get mice, and he'd get voles, and he'd leave us little gifts on the doorstep on a regular basis. Now, where would you like to go? Now, where do you want to go? What do you want to do now, huh? What? Go in the backyard? Huh? You want to go in the backyard? What do you think, honey? See, you can come outside. Okay, just me crunching the snow, Kitty, just me. What do you think, Kitty? What do you think?